Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTCM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday. Remember, the markets were closed on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's monster move, definitely updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house clean and just get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains, just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 004 was that level of resistance going into today, and that is one of the newest areas of support. The level of support that I would call the ideal level when we say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above 0055. But don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 0055, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from just the grand scheme of things, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0055 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing complicated or fancy behind this other than the fact that the party finally stopped today right up there at 0078. So 0078, public enemy number one going into Tuesday. All in all, though, any way you look at it, great movement today, great volume. And as long as the price continues to chip away with those higher lows, that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.